people, welcome back. Another glorious day. Right, let's get straight into it. I am on Audi today. I'll do this whole quarter just for one little ding. I'm going to get that painted today, ready to polish in the morning, get back to them. The old man's off. He's having a day with mother. Don't squeeze past her, say hello.
Right.
Hello. Fiesta's in primer. And Alan's going to have a day on this MG. I'll be with him after I've painted the Audi. Going to get door cards off, doors off, wings off. That's the plan anyway. Fucking freezing. See what we got out here. Beautiful. I think it's warmer out here than it is in here. We're going to dedicate this whole video to our new friend on Facebook trolling us. I've been posting these on all the painting sites on Facebook. And I had one douchebag last night. This is for professionals only. Stop posting your hacker videos. Loser. Anyway, I'm going to stick the video on house stripping.
Keeps repeating it. Oh, someone's
Alright, end of the day, we're just packing up. What have we got done? Hold on. What's going on? Naughty nose. Right, how this painted. Can't me fucking see it. It looks lolly. Banged it on with the old Segola. That's sorted. Give that a shine up into morning. MG, right. Wings are off. Alan got the wings off. Doors are stripped out. Locks, door cards, glass, regulators. Try and get these doors off tomorrow. I haven't got a Phillips big enough to go in them. One round here is going to be a fucker because it's got big hole. There's nothing in the middle. It's a job for the old man. Get the doors off and then I think the stripping's done. Oh, we're going to take this off. Loosen that, take that off. So you can hang that on, paint that, get in here easy, blah blah. Yeah, the old man should be done tomorrow. We're going to get them primed tomorrow. That's about it. Laters. Managed to get the door bolts out just about. Good thing the old man was here with his welder. Just about cracked into 80% of them. One of them that had no middle, that was probably the easiest one to get out. Just whacked a big Phillips bit in it and it turned. One of them on the driver's side, we had to weld a bolt onto, or the old man did. You had to cut a bit of the door, fold it down, weld a bolt onto it and get it out. But the doors are off. Grinding back the rot. I've messaged the customer to see if he wants to buy new doors. The front, bottom corners of the doors, where it's gathered the water, you can cut out and put little plates in the front, that's alright. But between the skins at the bottom, it's just full of rot. I mean, it's just going to get worse. There's no way of doing it properly unless you take the skin off, but that ain't going to happen. I told him we can Frankenstein the doors and see how he gets on, or apparently they still sell all the bits. So I asked him if he wants to get some new doors for it before we get involved with these ones. Waiting on a decision, but the old man's cleaning up one of his welds on the sill. Alan's cleaning up the scuttle. Scuttle needs more welding than we thought. We've got to try and do that without melting all the wires and the epoxy dash. Yeah, that's where they're at. I'm going to polish his Audi, get that out, repair the wings, get some primer on them today, and hopefully we'll have a decision about the doors. Hopefully new ones. Doors have been put on hold, customers ordering a couple of new ones. It's probably the best decision. It's going to make for a better job in the long run. Wings being repaired. think this is from where the door was hitting it. It just put a little crease down it. And most of that will come out when we block it down. The old man's on his scuttle. A little bit of plate in it. Make that little bit of filler. Just get some stone chip or something underneath. The other side's worse.
Oh, they showed me the other way, didn't it?
Stop with a rock creeping up on the edge. Just have to take all this bit out. Just going to make a new one. It's got support going along here that the dash bolts up onto underneath. He's got to make all that again.